Body believed to be that of missing bartender found in shallow grave. Man taken into custody amidst the probe in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is ll0w TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to ll0w TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll0w TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is ll0w TV News Report. Detectives in St. Anne's have arrested a man in connection with the suspected taking out of a bartender after her decomposing body was found in a shallow grave in the runaway bay St. Anne in the parish on Friday. The body is suspected to be that of 25-year-old Rochelle Glaze, a bartender of a St. Elizabeth address. According to reports, Glaze was working at a bar in Salem, also in Runaway Bay. Her family members reported her missing on Wednesday of last week after they failed to make contact with her. However, sources said that Glaze was last seen at the bar in Runaway Bay, reportedly in the company of a man on Saturday, May 21st. Following an initial probe by the police, a man from the parish was detained for questioning. Acting on intelligence, the police went to the Cardiff Hall area of Runaway Bay on Friday and found a shallow grave near an abandoned building. The body was later exhumed and removed to the morgue for a post-mortem examination at a later date. The post-mortem is to determine the cause of death. The man is now in the custody of the police as they carry out the investigation, and a further probe have been launched into the matter, including new development. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This is ll0w TV News Report. Thanks for watching.